In this topic of the Windows 11 course, we will navigate through the desktop user interface. From Windows 95 to Windows 11, we have seen many changes to the user interface. Windows XP and Windows 7 add similar look and feel. Windows 8, Windows 10, and Windows 11 add similar user interface. We will see some of the important features which are used commonly in Windows 11 operating system. If I select the Start menu over here, I can see the user account which I have used to log in. So this is the user account which I have used to log in, which is Tom Hanks. And if I click on the power button, if I select the power button and if I choose lock, in case if I am going away from the computer to take any printout, or if I want to have some coffee, I have to lock the computer. It is always recommended to lock your computer whenever you are away. And choosing the sleep option will keep all your open files as it is. It will use less power. Start from where you left. If you want to shut down, you can click on the shutdown options. It is going to shut down your computer, and restart is to restart your computer. If I click on the start menu again and if I select all apps, it will show all the applications. It is going to show all the applications in alphabetical order, and also it is going to show the most recently used applications. If I click on the start menu again, I will see all the pinned applications. So these are the pinned applications and these are the recently added applications. So Windows 11 will automatically recommend the recently added applications. This section is called as taskbar and this is called as system tray. You can see date and time in the system tray and there is a small icon for the notification, and this is for network control. I can control the volume, minimize or maximize the volume. There is the keyboard layout, and if I click on this arrow icon, I will see all the applications which are automatically getting started when the computer starts. And this is the start button, and these are the applications which are pinned to the taskbar, and this is the widget. The widget is basically it will display all the latest news related information which is happening across the world. I can see all the applications which are getting started when the computer starts. So these are the applications which are automatically starting. And if I click on the network, I'll be able to control the volume control. If you are using the laptop, you will see there will be a charging icon and you will be able to control the brightness of your computer as well. If I want to personalize the taskbar, I can click on the start menu, go to the settings, and I can select the personalization option. I can choose the taskbar. Here, I'll be able to control the look and feel of the taskbar. If I don't want to see the search, I can simply hide the search. If I don't want to see the task view, I can hide or disable the task view. I can even disable the widget. I don't want to see the widget, so I will turn off the widget. Now I don't see the widget anymore. I will turn off the chat. So these are the applications which are pinned now. And if I click on taskbar behavior, I can align the start menu and the pinned application either center or left. If I select the left, all the icons, all the pinned applications will be aligned to the left. If I choose center, it will be aligned to the center. If I want to automatically hide the taskbar, I can select the automatically hide taskbar. I will disable this. So this is how you will be able to control most of the taskbar behavior. And you can also control the start menu behavior. The look and feel of the start menu can be controlled. So this is the section you can control using personalization. And if you select the start, Under personalization start, you can see how the start menu will look whenever you choose a particular layout. If I don't want to see any recently added applications, so these are the recently added applications. So these are the recently added application. If I don't want to see, I can disable this. I don't see any of the applications which are recently added. And if I disable most used application, I don't see most used application under the applications. If I turn on, then I should be able to see under all apps, I will see the most used application. So these are the most used application if I turn on this. And you can actually disable the recently opened items. I will keep it disabled, and also I will keep this disabled. So this is how you will be able to control the taskbar as well as the start menu option. I will see you in the next video.